Hello, it's Mark from Cars and Cameras, and I have a little unboxing and camera test for you. This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max in the purple color. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare this up against my iPhone 12 Pro Max. When the iPhone 13 Pro Max came out last year, I wasn't really impressed with the upgrade in video quality. Plus, I was really excited about the cinematic mode, and that had some limitations that they fixed with the new iPhone 14 Pro Max. So here we have a quick side-by-side in the studio looking at the two cameras. One of them is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the other one is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, so let's go ahead and zoom them in. Now, the first giveaway is when you see the zooming in on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, you can go from 1x, 2x to 3x. On the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it just goes from 1x to 2.5. So you might have figured out which one is which because one of them now is going to zoom into 3x. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Okay, so we've given it away. So the iPhone 14 Pro Max is the video on the right-hand side of the screen. And now you can see what the wide-angle lenses look like, and you can compare the two and see how those look. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and I'm going to do a maximum telephoto test. Just pointed at something at the studio and see what it looks like. Okay, so here we have, of course, the iPhone 12 Pro Max on the left and the iPhone 14 Pro Max on the right. Be sure to come back to my channel for more uploads. I'm going to be putting the iPhone 14 Pro Max through its paces. I'm really curious about the cinematic mode because it can now shoot 4K at 24 frames per second, which it should have did in the first place, but it can now do that. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.